Good day to all, dear students. Today, in this video class, we are going to read the class 10 poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon, written by Auden Nass. In this video, you will see the passage comprehension. The passage comprehension. You all are well aware about the passage comprehension. It is of 5 marks and 3 passages are given by the board from the textbooks. 2 passages are from first flight and 1 is from the footprint. So come to the passage written on the board from the tale of Custard the Dragon. This is the most expected question for 2022. So be attentive towards this. Suddenly they heard a nasty sound, and Mustard growled, and they all looked around. Mute, cried Ink, and Ooh, cried Belinda, for there was a pirate climbing in the window. The explanation has been given already. So, you are well aware about the words which are written on the board in this passage. On the understanding of this passage, we will have to answer these questions which are listed here. Whom does they refer to? Whom does they refer to? अर्थात the word they is written for whom? The word they is written for whom? We have to find out. They all looked around. Who all looked around? All the characters which are mentioned in this poem. Who they are? Belinda, Custard, Ink, Blink, and Mustard. Okay. First question is completed now. Who has entered Belinda's house? Who has entered Belinda's house? Very clear. For there was a pirate climbing in the window. Who has entered? The pirate has entered. The pirate has entered Belinda's house. Very clear? Third question. How did the pet react listening to the nasty sound? इस नेस्टी साउंड को यानी इस नापसंद की जाने वाली साउंड को सुन करके पेट्स ने क्या रिएक्ट किया? हाउ डिड द पेट्स रिएक्ट लिसनिंग टू नेस्टी साउंड? कम टू हियर. म्यूट क्राइड Ink and Ooh cried Belinda. How can you answer this? They got scared. They got scared. ये सभी क्या हो गए? डर गए. As the question is for 1 mark, so 1 word answer must be given for this. Maybe this may come with options. So how did the kids react listening to the nasty sound? They showed their fear. They showed their fear means they got scared. वे सभी डर गए. and they all tried their level best to find out the safe place in order to save them from the pirate. Fourth question, how did mustard react to the sound? How did mustard react to the sound? Mustard growled. Mustard growled. But how can you say? He snarled. He snarled. Fifth question, Vinda refers to. One word, Vinda is written here. This refer to. You have to fill this. The Vinda refer to. Vinda is used for window. W-I-N-D-O. In order to make the poem in rhythmic way, the poet has used beautifully the word Vinda in place of window. Okay. Now the passage comprehension has been completed. The long answer question, which is most expected for the session 2022, means the upcoming exam of the board of class 10. What is the underlying message of the poem? मैसेज क्या है? उस पोएम के द्वारा कवि ने क्या मैसेज देने की कोशिश की है, इसको हमें देखना है. तो लेट अस कम टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द अंडरलाइंग मैसेज ऑफ द पोएम? तो एज यू हैव कम टू नो दैट द टेल ऑफ कस्टर्ड द ड्रैगन इज ए ह्यूमरस ballad, a long poem containing a story is known as ballad. So in this poem, Belinda, a young girl, owns several pets such as a mouse, a cat, a dog and a dragon, with their pet name Ink, Blink, Mustard and Custard. While the mouse, cat and dog are depicted as brave, throughout the poem they are depicted as brave. The dragon is always portrayed like a coward. ड्रैगन को इस कविता में एक डरपोक बताया गया है. Custard the dragon always cries for a safe case to save him from any danger. Belinda and the other pets make fun of him. They mock Custard for his cowardly acts. Then a turning point comes in the poem when the house is attacked by a pirate, while Belinda and the other pets run off for their life. Only it is the Custard, the dragon, who courageously, who with his full effort, with his full courage, faces the pirate and kills him, means eats him. The underlying message of the poem is that in today's world, one should avoid displaying his or her weaknesses, as others are likely to make mock about it. हमें अपने कमियों को हर जगह बताना नहीं चाहिए, कारण इससे हम हंसी के पात्र बन जाते हैं. Moreover, strength, while it is physical or mental, it is truly tested in time of adversity, in time of need. So we should avoid being judgmental about other, as every individual is strong in his or her own ways. Okay, one need to be fully aware of his or her strength and never give anyone an opportunity to deride on the basis of perception that they hold regarding them. Okay, in this way you can answer this question very well. Thank you all.